Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to arrange your text. So select information such as organizing your paragraphs and the whole text and the layout of it on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. Open the application and then select a note from the All Notes section, or you can also create a new one by tapping on this button down below in the right side of the screen. So now if you want to organize your text, all you have to do is clicking on this third icon in the middle of the screen. Here you can push your text into the middle, or you can move it to the right or left side of the screen, as you can see, or you can also select the organization of your paragraph. You can add these bullet points, and you can also add like numbers, and there are sub categories, as you can see, indicated by letters. So you can also add the check mark circle, which is perfect for creating a to-do list, as for an example. So feel free to use this function whenever you want to select these kind of aspects concerning the organization of your text and the layout of it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.